A car heater is important for keeping you warm in cold weather and for defrosting the windshield. If your heater stops working, it can make driving uncomfortable or even unsafe. There are simple tips to diagnose a car heater that is not working. First, check the cabin temperature setting by turning on the car and setting the heater to the highest level. Ensure the fan is on and the airflow is directed toward the cabin, not the windshield. Sometimes the heater seems broken, but the problem is just incorrect settings. Always check these controls first before inspecting other parts of the heating system. Next, check the engine temperature because the heater relies on a warm engine to work. Start the car and let it run for a few minutes to reach normal operating temperature. Watch the dashboard temperature gauge to ensure the engine is heating properly. If the engine stays cold, the heater will not blow warm air, indicating a possible thermostat or cooling system problems. Check for airflow blockages, as dirty vents, cabin filters, or debris can stop warm air from reaching the cabin. Remove and inspect the cabin air filter, cleaning or replacing it if it is clogged. Also, look inside the vents to ensure nothing is blocking them. Even if the heater is working, blocked airflow can make it seem like the system is failing. Inspect the coolant level, because the heater needs hot coolant to warm the cabin. Open the hood and check the coolant reservoir, making sure it is at the recommended level. If it is low, top it up with the correct type of coolant for your car. Low coolant can prevent the heater from working and may also cause engine overheating. Examine the heater core, which transfers heat from the engine to the cabin. Signs of a problem include wet carpets inside the car or a sweet, antifreeze-like smell. A clogged or leaking heater core can stop warm air from reaching the cabin. If you notice these symptoms, the heater core may need cleaning, flushing, or professional repair to restore proper heating. Check the thermostat, which controls the engine's temperature and helps the heater work properly. If the thermostat is stuck open, the engine may not warm up enough to produce hot air. Watch for slow engine warming or the heater blowing cold air. A faulty thermostat may need replacement to ensure the engine and heater reach the correct temperature efficiently. Inspect the fuses and relays, as they control power to the heater and fan. Locate the fuse box and check for any blown fuses related to the heating system. Replace any damaged fuses with the correct type, and also check the relays if the fan is not working. Faulty fuses or relays can prevent the heater from operating properly. So, by applying these tips and products, you can diagnose a car heater that is not working.